All right, I've just finished unboxing and putting together the Steelite DG500 Cordless mower, and here's my honest first impression. Setup is honestly super simple. The mower comes mostly pre-assembled, so you're basically just attaching the handle sections and tightening the side knobs. Just make sure both sides are even, otherwise the handle can sit a bit crooked, which I noticed right away. You also snap on the wheels, then choose between the mulching plug or the rear grass bag. Nothing complicated here at all. Before first use, I charged the battery fully, and it clicks in pretty easily. Now, the big question, does it feel worth it? For small lawns, yeah, it actually does. It's lightweight, quiet, and super easy to push around tight spaces. But the 20-ish minute runtime is the real limitation. If your yard is even slightly big, you'll probably need a second battery. So far? Great for small, quick jobs, but not a heavy-duty beast.